Morena, boys and girls. I thought I'd read one of our favourite preschool stories, The Fidgety Fish by Ruth Galloway. Let's have a look. Fidgety Fish. Tiddler was always fidgeting. He wriggled and he squiggled, and he darted and he giggled, until his mum got so fed up with him. Go out into the sea and swim till you're tired. Watch out for the big fish, she said. So Tiddler swam out of his cave. He dived and he flipped. He leapt and he dipped, and he sped faster than a rocket and glided gently like a swan, letting the sea currents fan his fins. But he still didn't feel tired. There were limpets that clung and a jellyfish that stung. Tiddler swam on towards the big red starfish, and he butted it gently with his nose. The starfish just smiled, so Tiddler asked the clickety-clackety crab to play, but it just scuttled off into the seaweed. Tiddler came to a big, dark cave. It looked much more exciting than his cave back home, so Tiddler swam in. And snap! What happened? Tiddler was trapped inside the big fish. He trembled and he shivered, and he shook and he quivered, until the big fish's tummy began to feel quite funny indeed. It rumbled and grumbled, it turned and it tumbled, it fluttered and groaned, and mumbled and moaned, and suddenly the big fish did an enormous burp, and whoosh! Out shot Tiddler. Phew. Past the jellyfish and the clickety-clackety crab hiding in the weeds, past the starfish, and straight through his own front door. I hope you've used up all that energy, said his mum. But she would have to wait until the morning to hear, because Tiddler was already fast asleep. It's a lovely story, isn't it? Hey boys and girls, ka kite, see you again soon.